Okay, I got a new case for my iPhone 17 Pro Max. I'm excited to show you some of the things in it, but I just basically want to do an unboxing. So it comes with, obviously, the nice, good designed box. It does have a barcode on the bottom that you can scan for installation videos and kind of gives hints and tips, which I think is a great thing just to add to. Just a simple, easy box. Good to pull out. It's even actually got the instructions on the outside of the wrapping, which is kind of nice to see. Initially looking at it, you can tell looks like really great smooth qualities. Really love the frame and the look of it. As you can kind of see, you can see the buttons and the buttonholes. They have good pressure along those, so really happy with that. So one of my big things is the camera portion here. I wanted something to make sure I have something protective over the back. I know that is an issue that I always have because it always seems I tend to break those camera lenses with any type of falls because this thing drops all the time. So I knew this was going to have to be tested, which according to the listing, it showed that it was tested well and went through great testing. So I'm happy with that. One of the other great things about this that I love is it's got this magnetic ring that's already built in. Just to kind of give you an example, here is one of my phone holders. And it's got a nice solid grab on that, so you don't have to worry about it, and it's on there really nice and well. So it's got that great magnetic touch to it. Really happy with the quality, perfect for what I wanted, protecting the lens. Definitely check it out.